Thinking about selling your house? Before you make that decision, there are a few things that most homeowners don't realize, and they can cost you thousands if you get them wrong. Number one, where are you going next? Selling is only half the equation. If you don't already have a plan for where you're moving next, you could end up rushing into the wrong purchase or paying more in a competitive market. Always think about the next step before you list. Number two, the hidden costs of selling. A lot of people focus on the sale price, but they do forget about the costs. Things like agent compensation, closing costs, repairs, and moving expenses can quickly add up. Make sure you understand what you'll actually walk away with. Number three, your equity position. One of the most important questions is, how much equity do you actually have in the home? If you owned your home for a while, selling might unlock a large amount of equity. But if you bought recently, the numbers may not make sense yet. Number four, market timing. The real estate market changes constantly. Sometimes it's a seller's market with strong demand, and other times buyers have way more negotiating power. Understanding your local market conditions can make a big difference in the price that you get. Number five, the condition of your home. Before selling, take an honest look at the home itself. Small repairs, staging, and presentation can dramatically impact buyer interest and your final sale price. Preparing a home properly often helps it sell faster and for more money. Selling a home can be a great move, but only if the timing and numbers make sense for your situation. Before you list your house, take a step back. Run the numbers and make sure that the decision actually helps you move forward financially. If you find these videos helpful or you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or like and subscribe.